Hey there, online hustlers. Welcome back to our channel where we're dishing out golden nuggets for your success journey. Today, I've got something special. 5 unbeatable money-making tips for you. Tip 1. Master your niche. Find your passion and dominate it. When you're an expert, clients and customers will come knocking. Tip 2. Leverage social media. Connect, engage, and build a loyal tribe. Remember, followers can turn into buyers. Tip 3. Offer value, always. Whether it's content or products, over-deliver to create a buzz that can't be ignored. Tip 4. Automate and delegate. Time is money. Embrace tools and delegate tasks to focus on what truly matters. Tip 5. Multiple streams of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify revenue sources for stability and growth.